Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am fresh out of my Zumba class, so good, and now I am heading to the grocery store to pick up some food for my what I eat in a day. So I'm going to be bringing my camera along, sharing what I'm eating throughout the day, but with a fun little twist. And this was actually recommended for me to do from a subscriber. So thank you so much for the idea, because it sounds so much fun. And if you have read the title, then you know exactly what it is. I am going to be eating red foods for a full day. So I'm super excited. I think this is going to be so much fun. And I'm also going to share with you guys some of the health benefits, that are associated with eating foods that are naturally red in color. So let's go ahead, head to the grocery store and get some food because I'm hungry. Also, I just want to say that I feel like this video is super appropriate for me to film today because, as you can tell, I'm looking a little red. I spent a lot of time out in the sun, and this is just a lesson to put on more sunscreen. But anyways, so I feel like it's super appropriate because we're going to eat red foods, and I'm looking kind of red today. So let's go. So before I headed off to my morning workout, I made myself a smoothie. I crave smoothies in the summer. They are just so cool and refreshing and just a great way to pack in a ton of nutrients all in one meal, especially at the start of the day. It's the best. Also, if you don't have a single serve smoothie blender, you need to get one. They are so much easier to clean and you're not left with excessive amounts of your smoothie. And I find that I just enjoy making smoothies so much more now that I have this. So it was definitely a great buy. So in the smoothie, I have the red food, strawberries, and then I also added in some banana, cinnamon, plain yogurt, almond butter, and then I have my collagen and Ningxia green supplement along with my Ningxia red drink. Ningxia red is it's made from the Ningxia wolfberry, which is a specific type of goji berry, which is a red food, and it's crazy high in antioxidants. The red foods are very antioxidant rich, and antioxidants are so important because they help protect the body from free radical damage and oxidative stress, which can help reduce inflammation, which is very, very important. It's so good. The ice didn't really blend up as much as I would have liked, but still good. Top it off. Nothing goes to waste. For my lunch, I made a salad that is packed with red foods. So I had red bell pepper, red onion, red cabbage, red radish, red leaf lettuce, and then I also chopped up some cucumber, and I mixed this all together with red quinoa. So lots of red foods in this salad, but a salad is such a great way to combine so many red foods all at once. And it meal prepped really well, so I've been eating this all throughout the week. So as I mentioned earlier, red foods are rich in antioxidants, and I just wanted to emphasize this because the antioxidants and the phytonutrients that are present in red foods can help lower inflammation in the body, and this helps to protect our body from developing disease, especially cancer and heart disease, which are the two leading causes of death in the United States. Additionally, the phytonutrients help to support our immune system. They can help lower blood pressure, and thanks to their fiber content, they can help lower our LDL cholesterol levels, which is the quote unquote bad cholesterol, and they also help to feed the healthy bacteria in our gut and function as a prebiotic to help support a healthy gut microbiota and also a healthy colon, because fiber naturally helps you stay regular, if you know what I mean. And then I topped my salad with some fresh basil and my homemade Italian salad dressing. And then on the side, for some extra protein, I had some roasted red pepper hummus and I dipped some crackers into that. So this salad was delicious. I've been eating it all week, like I said, and it meal prepped very well. Just make sure if you do meal prep this, keep the red leaf lettuce separate from the quinoa salad until you're ready to eat it. I bought this at the store today, and it's this beet apple ginger juice, and beets are so good for you and a red food. So we're gonna add a splash of this into the drink, and hopefully it tastes good. I think it will. I love apple beet ginger juice. I usually get it from Whole Foods, so this is my first time trying this particular one. Here we go. It's good. It's pretty light. I'm used to like a stronger flavor, but it's pretty light, but it's also could be because I diluted it a lot, but it's good. And for my dinner, I made some einkorn pasta with tomato sauce and meatballs, and I had some roasted asparagus on the side, and it was delicious. And fun fact about tomatoes is actually when you cook them, so like tomato sauce, you are greatly increasing our ability to absorb the phytonutrient in tomatoes called lycopene, which is helpful in heart disease prevention. All right, you guys, so that is everything that I am going to eat today. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and please let me know if there's like another color I should go with next, maybe orange, green. I feel like green's pretty easy with healthy food, but I don't know, maybe yellow, I don't know, purple. Let me know in the comments section if there's a different color like food, what I eat today that I should do next, or any other video ideas that you guys would like to see from me. Really love your feedback, and I wanna make videos that you guys would like to see. Thank you guys so much again for watching. Be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.